Hello! Video about opening and starting Volkswagen Passat 2017 with AMP 7.0 device. This is an AMP 7.0 device. Tested car Volkswagen Passat 2017. The AMP 7.0 big unit. It is approximately 4 meters from the key. The car key. We go to the car, which is approximately 40 meters from the key. This is a tested car. Check. It is locked and is under the full-time protection. This is the AMP 7.0 small unit. We turn it on. And open the driver's door. Enter the car. We put the switched-on small unit on the central console and click on the car start button. The engine starts immediately. We see that the steering wheel and automatic transmission are unlocked. Turn off the small unit. The engine continues to work. We press the start button and turn off the engine. On the dashboard, a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Turn on the small unit again and press the car start button. The engine starts immediately. We stop the engine. Leave the car and switch on the central lock. Test is completed successfully. Thanks everyone for watching.